Good morning. I have had quite a few requests for me to make the orange salad that's in the Griffiths cookbook. I've made it on a video before, but it was titled something different, like, I don't know, surprise salad or surprise summer recipe or something like that. I can't remember. So I'm going to go ahead and make that video again today for you, make that recipe anyway, again today for you. And it is just super duper easy. And I do not know why we call it a salad, because it really should be like dessert. It's really more of a little dessert for summer, but oh, it's so good. I guess you could say the salad part is the mandarin oranges that are in it or something. I don't know, but let me show you what is in the salad. 3 ounces of orange Jello, 3 ounces of Jello Cook and Serve vanilla, and 3 ounces of tapioca Jello Cook and Serve, an 11 ounce, this is 15, that's fine, ounce of mandarin oranges, 8 ounces of Cool Whip, 3 cups of water, and if you want to use the juice that you drain off of the oranges to help make up the water, that would be fine too. Before we put this goodness together, I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. I couldn't ask for a better partner. They are an online learning community committed to helping thousands of people improve their skills, hone in on their skills, find their passions. They offer thousands of classes. If you want to learn how to take better pictures, they have a class for it. If you want to learn how to use your iPhone or a new iPhone, they have classes for that too. Just about anything you can think of, they have classes for. I'm still enjoying taking my painting classes, but I really need to sharpen my skills on Instagram. There's a class called Tell an Engaging Story in Less Than a Minute, taught by Halise, a digital storyteller. She teaches how to get to the point of a story, interestingly, but fast. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today. All right, so you do not follow the directions on the back of these boxes. Just do what I tell you to do today. Just open them up and dump them into a pot like this. Doesn't have to be quite this big, but I like room to move around. Then you can use the juice if you want to help make up the 3 cups of water. I'm just going to stir this up just a little bit. And what we want to do is boil this for 3 minutes. I have been continually stirring this and I have let it boil for 3 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to add my oranges to that. Then I'm going to add this 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Doesn't that look like a dreamsicle or a creamsicle? An orange creamsicle? It tastes like one too. Now I'm just going to pour it into this pretty little Pyrex dish that my grandma gave me for our wedding. There's a little left in this, but trust me, it is not going to go to waste. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours and then we will come back to it. Okay, the Jell-O has been in the fridge for a couple hours now. We're going to give it a try. Hey.
Hey.
Are you up to a taste test?
Sure, always.
Okay, here you go.
Ooh.
I already know what you're gonna say, but I always like you to taste and tell me what you think. Oh, Chad!
You always know what I'm going to say. Did you know that was coming?
No, you're such a dork.
This is one of my favorite Jell-O salads.
That's what we call it. There, it's a Jell-O salad. We can't decide if we want to call it a
Jell-O. It's
dessert or if we want to call it a...
Yeah, it's not Jell-O. It's mandarin oranges and that kind of pudding.
Yeah,
More of a pudding.
it's got Jell-O in it.
But no, I always like this here. It's not too sweet.
Yeah, that's what I like. It's creamy.
It's creamy. It's smooth. There's no crunch in it, which for a pudding, I guess you don't want a crunch in there, but I like it. Yeah. It's always one of my favorite. I didn't mean to gag.
Well, I like it because it's kind of refreshing.
Oh yeah,
it's kind of good.
Well, it's light.
Yeah, on a hot summer day.
Yeah.
But
yeah, I mean, our neighbor makes it, and it's always a big hit at her family.
Definitely
too.
It's her recipe. It's my neighbor's mother-in-law's recipe, and she would bring it to our parties, and oh, we just fell in love with it.
Yeah, she gave it to us, and we've used it a lot.
Well, okay, there you have it. Call it what you want, but it's good.
Take it, use it, and share it.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
You bet.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.